Hello guys, Abhishek here, and recently I have started using Snapseed photo application, and in my last video on this app I have shown you how you can remove some unwanted objects from the photo, and in this video I will show you how you can expand your photos a little bit, which works kind of a reverse crop feature. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So in order to do this, you just have to select any photo which you want to expand and just select that photo. After that you have to go to tools and select expand option, and now wherever you want to expand that photo, you just have to expand those grids, and it uses AI to fill the gap between the original photo and the photo you want. So it will take a little bit of time depending on your phone. So now as you can see that the photo has been expanded. So this is the photo before editing and this is the photo after editing. So you can clearly see the difference between those two photos, and it does not look bad, and it does not look that you have artificially created that image. It completely matches the background of that image. And with that said guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a like. Also share this video to your friends, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, save your time and watch 5-minute reviews.